Hi, Pilates friend. It's been a while. So much so that I decided that I needed to pour a cuppa, put my Ugg boots on, and let you know what's been happening since I posted over a year ago. It's been a while. I had like 30 videos, about Pilates videos, and I went pretty hard over a short amount of time. Seems that some people really enjoyed these, but I felt at the end of that they needed to get into the community and teach classes. So into the community I went and I taught hundreds of mat classes, still teaching. I needed to find how I wanted to teach Pilates so that I could be a more valuable Pilates teacher, a better Pilates teacher. Yeah, so I did that and I learned a lot and I'm continuing to study. And I thought that it'd probably be a good idea to jump back on and share how I'm teaching now. It's tempting to go, oh, delete through my catalog. But I'm like, you know what? We've all got a past. Thankfully, that's the only past that I'm sharing on here is my Pilates past. Yes, so it's all staying there. The big difference is how I cue. I'm still, creative with my Pilates. I deliver Pilates exercises and then Pilates inspired exercises, more creative exercises, which I love and my clients love. And it's the cueing that's changed the most. So I used to cue more, for example, belly button to spine, squeeze your glutes when you're in the bridge, lift hips, squeeze into those glutes. But it's cueing like that I found wasn't having a great impact on client success in class. I needed to make a change. So I did. I use more sensory rich cueing now, getting clients to feel their own body, feel parts of their own body, to experience, to make the adjustments. They're making adjustments through their gaze. So they're using their visual field. They're using their touch. And I can't be racing about to each client when they're in the quadruped, lifting and lowering their leg for bird dog, fixing everyone's hip. But if I can find cueing that they could do to make those adjustments themselves, fabulous, right? That's success. And getting the feedback at the end from them saying, wow, I really felt like I was more lifted and lengthened and I could really get that hip down. That's the chef's kiss. So why does this type of cueing work so well? Because it is building that sense of body awareness, right? So it's not just the teacher coming around and fixing the leg, fixing the hip. Like, I just don't know how much awareness. I mean, it certainly brings some awareness, but actually feeling in yourself and making that adjustment with the information you're receiving, that is where true body awareness occurs. And we know that it's conscious first. It's a conscious change that you're making, but then it becomes unconscious. So then you're just doing it because your brain has mapped that new movement pattern. Okay. So that is why the sensory rich cueing is so important in how I teach Pilates now. So I thought, okay, well, if it's working in class, how about I bring that back online? So I've made the winter collection, which is 8 classes and bonuses, all classes that I've taught during winter this year. I'm going to post little snippets from that collection onto YouTube. And if you like it, then I'll post longer ones. I love movement. I love Pilates. I love Pilates inspired moves. And the fact that I'm doing this for a job and I'm making a difference to my clients' lives is literally a dream. So if I can share that online as well, even better. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.